Hello. My name is Teacher Joanna. What's your name? Tina. Okay, for the speaking test, we have two parts. For the first part, I will ask you questions. And for the second part, we're going to talk about a party, or we're going to plan a party for your class. Okay, so you have 2 minutes to talk later. Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, Tina, have you ever had a class party at a restaurant or a cafe?
It's a cafe.
It's a cafe, yes. What did you do there? You can eat what? Oh, you drink and eat at home cafe. Okay. What kind of food and drinks do you enjoy most at the party? What kind of food and drinks do you enjoy at a party?
It's matcha.
You like matcha. And for the food?
It's bread.
Bread. Okay. Do you prefer indoor or outdoor parties? Indoor is inside, outdoor is outside. What kind of party do you like? Inside, indoor, or outside? Outdoor parties. Oh, you like inside. Okay. Indoor parties, why? Study at the same time. Okay, now you are on the second part of our speaking test. I will give you this speaker. You have 1 minute to prepare about the party. Okay? Imagine, or let's say you are going to plan a party for your class. So you need to choose a restaurant and list all the good reasons why it is a good choice for the party. Don't forget to describe the food, the location, and how to get there. So you need to take note of this, and then later you have 2 minutes to talk about your plan. Okay? 1 minute starts. Okay, that's 1 minute. You have 2 minutes to speak. Okay? So what kind of party are you going to plan? Ready? Okay.
Today I want to tell you about the whole cafe. I like matcha with I choose my cafe because it is near my school. I can go to there to
it's 2 minutes. Okay, that's it for our speaking test. See you again. Goodbye.